Welcome to my video, and today we are playing Roblox. Yeah, right. Okay. This is not joke, it's real, okay? So let's see. And in 5 we can wait. Something happened from the Roblox, okay? Oh my god. And you can see any changes. Okay. So we are Sonic. If you guys take 3 and a 5 and a 5 when I get this. So negative 5 is this. Maybe we'll type when I put the 5 names so I get a prize, right? Cream. Crazy. See? Okay, we're gonna scare him. Wait, so it's like her body looks a blood on her dress, right? See, let's try that. Let's try this. If I got in, put in the mice. Wait, what? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. They're putting cream on him. Well, let's try this. When I put shadow here, so I make it crazy. Shadow. I'm not typing werehog. I'm typing werehog. Okay, with space. Okay, we put the space, and he forgot his manage, and put this mask, and it was crazy. Okay, let's see. Okay, so let's try this. I'm gonna put here, put here, and put. I'm gonna put. Oh, wait. Okay, let's see. Let's see this. If it's true, like in come out, it should look like that. The guy is false and blue. Wait a minute. The guy is full of blue and oh yeah, that's on. I can remember. We're gonna type down. What? Wait. When I put this one, what is going on? It's actually weird. Wait, don't see my comment, okay? I'm not kidding, the pet. Chill. Not Candido pet. I'm not. No, I picked the wrong spelling. Seriously. Nice. I'm nice, okay?
Ano yung matrin? Sinong tandem ni Cynthia? O magtutandem sila? Oo. Nagkaaway man sila? Oo, ngayon parang kano sila? Magkampiyan na. Kaya na po naman si Bruce na kay Abo. Hawak man ng dapat ito kung nakabalaw. Hindi na siya nagpabigta.
It actually works.
Yung tira matira. Maganda kung si Bruce pa kasi Cynthia. Huwag lang yung iba. Ganun ba? Wala dito, si Cynthia ang nagpabigta. ko na yan. Ayun, nagpapalatag ng pera si Rose, ay si Abo. Nabigay ng pera. 500. 500 din. Tapos pirma ka dun sa nakakuha ng 500. Kanina. Sa mga tao, hindi ko,
I just scared on him.
Abo.
Remember, you were good. I good to go. Shh. And you forgot I forgot. And I forgot. Stop. Stop. I forgot to spell. My crystal red heart.
Pero ikaw ka doon, pirma ka doon. Tapos anong present mo? Ilagay mo yung present mo. Anong pumalot mo? Present number.
Right. And what is just happened? What is happened? Kill him. How did you get star when you are so put? I got secret stash over here.
Wala ng pera.
Oh my god.
Hindi nila patay
Wait.
agad.
Wait. Ooh, secret stash. Wow. He tries to kill me. Wait, I will text. No, you don't. It's so funny. It's
Wala. Ako, nagtanong lang nga niya ako kay tulungan ko sana siya, di ba? Sabi mo, bago na.
just fine. I'm seriously. Kill your best friend. Because someone who is. He tried to kill me, but wait. Bro, I'm relaxing. Bro, are you making a noise? That's not even working. I'm joking, guys. It's not 5 hack. It's just 3. 3.
Hindi.
A 3 and that's it. Okay. Next. When you are tails. Wait. Not Knuckles. So goodbye, Knuckles. Okay. When you are tails, you're gonna type Kanito Pet. So it's actually worked. Let's see. Comment below if it works. Hi, Knuckles. He's sitting. Wait. What? Hi, I'm Kanito Pet. Hi, I'm Kanito Pet. Zoom. Mates. Nice to meet you guys. Nice. I'll be nice also. I don't wanna. But I don't. So someone take this baby cream. Wait. Maybe I'll type to. I'm gonna baby sitting with this baby. I'm gonna babysit with this baby. And we're almost close to the top one. That means it's a secret dial. Oh. It's that so? But actually, it's quite white, so I get a 5 over 10. And the second one, Shadow Crazy. It's one of the life. It's probably 4 over 10 because it's just fine when I'm putting my face. Well, let's see. What should I choose? Okay. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy. Guys, don't believe it. I'm so sorry about that.
Ang tagal-tagal mo. Ay, nag-ikot-ikot ako. Hindi ako agad magbili. Nakabili rin ako ng luya.
Wait.
Ano? Malaki ko ko. Tagal-tagal. Matagal. Kaya nag-ikot-ikot. O ano na naman? Wala na naman pera. Ibang ko sa kanya. Kaya nga, kahit ka nagbayad ka, pero hindi ko dapat mag-abuso sa
Okay.
apo mo. Yan apo mo, ginauto-uto ka lang. Ano, kada kuwan siya, mag-apply siya, meron siyang ano yan? Medical? Hindi yan, kailangan may medical na yan. Whole year yan. Ay, ewan ko sa'yo. Bobo ka talaga sa pinakabobo. Yan apo mo, mura ka niya na ikaw ang pinakamahirap. Ako naman magmura sa'yo, pinakabobo ka. Kaya nagpauto ka dyan sa apo mo. Dapat siya ang masunod, hindi yung apo niya. Mura-murahin lang siya, bigay na agad sa pera. Mali man yun.
Huwag ka magpamula kay Dito.
Oo. Biro mo, sa apo mo, hindi ka mag-iyak. Sa akin, mag-iyak ka.
Guys, I gotta get 0 over 10 degrees.
Oo,
You don't
nagalit
know
siya.
why I'm this. Thank you for watching.
Hindi ako nagayaw-yaw. Kaya lang, matanda na
See you
tayo.
tomorrow.
Sino ba magbigay sa atin?
Bye.
Maski apo niya, hindi niya magbigay sa kanya ng pera. Nakikita na niya kung galing ng apo niya.
Okay.
Dapat
Super, super,
hindi,
super.
ganito talaga kung salita kaya nahuhulugan nito.